This is a brand new 2013 Mercedes-Benz GL 350. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, an air suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, and a portable music device-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.